Are you experiencing Windows 11 slow performance on your PC or laptop? If yes, then you don't need to panic. Why is Windows 11 so slow and some effective way to overcome Windows 11 running slow issue? So make sure you don't skip any part. Watch the full video. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech Vidhi. Today I will discuss how to fix Windows 11 lagging or slow problem. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Then click General. Then turn off all options. Click Back. Click Speech. Turn off online speech recognition. Click Back. Click Inking and Typing Personalization. Then turn off Custom Inking and Typing Dictionary. Click Back. Then click Diagnostic and Feedback. Then turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Click Back. Then click Activity History. Turn off Store My Activity History on this device. Click Back. Click Search Permission option. Then turn off History. Then turn off More Settings. Click Back. Then click Location. Turn off Location Service. Click Back. Click Camera option. Then turn off Camera Access. You can turn off the camera option of specific apps if you want. Click Back. Click Microphone. Then turn off microphone access. You can turn off certain software microphone access if you want. Click Back. Then click Voice Activation. Then turn off Let App Access Voice Activation Service. Click Back. Click Notifications option. Then turn off Notification Access. Click Back. Click Account Info. Turn off Account Info Access. Click Back. There are many features given below. Please disable the features that you do not use that much. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.